Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlogs. There's a show called Classic that is held at a K1 speed that's right by our house. Jazz and I were like, you know what? Let's go ahead and stop by and take a look. And you might recognize a couple of friends that are there as well. So yeah, very coolio. Guys, look at this Integra. It is literally just like my 86, man. Honestly, seeing cars with the same kind of like colorway that my car is kind of makes me want to keep it because of how unique it is. And I just appreciate it more when I see cars like it. But this is sick, man. Yeah, I don't know. This shit looks better than mine and pulls it off way better. It's fire. I was literally just telling Jazz how much I love Civic interiors because of how simple and clean they are. They're just so good. Just nothing going on, which I love so much. And look at this. K-Series, right? I think? I don't know. Let me know. Guys, I'm switching to the phone because it's easier to vlog with. A lot of Hondas here, which is really cool. And all of these colors, man. Look at this Integra. And this EK hatch, man. If you guys don't know, I love Hondas, man. If I didn't have an 86, I'd probably be in this scene, man, because Hondas are just so sick. I know a lot of people shit on them, but y'all just don't have any taste. Just being real. Steve Haddon. And Nickinator. I don't know where they are though. There's a lot of good selections of Hondas here. A lot of Hondas that have like similar colorways that I have on my 86, which is really cool. But yeah, I love Hondas, man. Like literally, look at this one. Literally same exact setup colorway wise on my car. And look at this beautiful EG hatch. Guys, look at this thing. It's a Honda Beat. Look how small it is compared to the Civic Type R.
I didn't even see it because the Type R was covering it.
It was like blocking it, huh? Yeah. Go in front of it. Go in front of it. That's so crazy, bro. That thing is so tiny.
Damn. It's like mustard and ketchup.
Mustard and ketchup? Oh, shit.
Oh.
Look at my hand. It's not that small. Guys, I totally passed by this thing. This is probably one of those unique Corvettes I've seen. And that's only because of the wheel choice it has. Mugen wheels. Shit has Mugen wheels on it. Like literally, if you just look at it from here, that's so sick. On Mugen MF10s, bro. I'll peep this green on green EG hatch. Green TEs with an olive green. I don't know if this is factory paint. Wow, look at that interior. Oh, I love those floor mats. It's not even a floor mat, but it's like a floor pad. I don't know, because it's made out of metal. Bro, even got a Haltech on this dash. Definitely think I've seen this car at Week Fest. This thing is sick. Jesus Christ. These Civic and Honda guys on another level. And I'm not even trying to glaze. Just like the attention to detail on their builds. Like, this is just one example. There's like many more here. God, dude, the black paint is bussin'. I don't even remember the last time I said bussin' like that. Holy shit, dude. God, I need my paint like this again, bro. This is freaking like a mirror. What's good, man? Good. Long time no see. What the fuck is that? What's up, man? What's up? What's up?
The iPhone vlog?
I think I realized that I'm gonna film like vlog content with the iPhone and cinematic shit with this. It's so much fucking work to set this up every shot because if I move it a different angle, it's already fucked.
Not too much dynamic changes.
Exactly, yeah. Huh? So yeah, we're gonna keep it with the iPhone for the vlogs right now, but all the cinematic shit is gonna be on this. Oh yeah, your new wheels. Whose are those?
Krista. Shout out Krista.
Shout out Krista.
The Stearns.
Hell yeah, bro.
Talking about those Mugens for the whatever. They're the Workmeister L1s. Bro.
Oh, okay. Where's your car? It's not here.
We parked next to you.
Huh? Oh, you got. Oh, is it? Oh, I didn't see it.
Dude, we're like, oh my god, is that?
Oh my god.
Is that great? Dude. Oh my god, we're huge fans.
Wow, dude, look at it. Look at Steven, guys. Bro got a cut shirt.
For a high five, bro. No, don't ask. Stop.
Getting a little slutty, I see, huh? A little slutty tea over here, huh? Heard about this show? How come I haven't heard about this?
They've been around for years. Long time.
Really? Is it like a once a year type of thing? Ah, makes sense. Dude, this Evo is sick, bro. Holy crap.
This is Aaron from Angel Auto Works. Evan did the paint.
Oh, really? The whole car?
For the kit.
Damn. Varus, too, from Bumper. Oh, yeah, this HN is
This is,
beautiful.
Alan from SPF Forever.
Fuck, dude. What's the kit called?
Seeker.
Seeker. Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
And I think on his side skirts, they're inks. Oh, and then we got the regardless.
What the fuck? It's a Gardas.
FIA certified. That's so rare.
What the hell? If you guys don't know about the Brid Gardas, it's like one of the most sought after Brid seats because they're super rare. Yeah, man, this is some solid ass show. It makes me even want a Honda even more now. As if I didn't want one any more than I did before this. What the fuck is this called?
I can try Previa. So
Previa, yes.
It's a Estima. Thanks, man.
Oh, bro, look at this color. This looks like Wildberry or some shit. The white TEs, you guys, you might be seeing me with my TEs this color too. Because I'm sick and tired of having dark wheels right now. And I know I was just glazing about everyone else with the matte blue and black, but it just contrasts so well. Ah, I need to save money. God, I hate this shit. Why is hobby so expensive? Peep this fit, guys. Literally same color as ours. But I didn't know they made hoods for them. That's kind of cool. I want to get a shifter like that for our fit and a quick tilt. Oh yeah, they did. They removed the seats. Oh, what? They have a Cusco rear brace? Oh, dude, we're getting that. I didn't even know they had that for this car. And they also have the JDM taillights along with the Overseas Jazz emblem. Look, babe, look at the emblem.
I know, I want that one for mine.
Lily be perfect. All right, guys, we're heading out from Classic. Really cool meet. Love the Civics and all the Hondas over here. Really good quality builds, but we're gonna go ahead and head to a coffee place called ARC or ARC, whatever. It's ARC Coffee, yeah. Joss wants to try it out, and of course, since I took her to one of my things, I gotta go take her to one of her things. You know, it's only fair. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head over there right now. Watch this transition, gang. Hello everyone, we are now in the car. I would film in there, but they're playing copyrighted music. We got their Einspanner matchas. She got the regular, I got ube. So let's go ahead and give it a whirl with the cream top. Cheers.
Cream top is good. I haven't tried the matcha though.
I can actually taste this now. Yeah, apparently they make their matcha with the same matcha powder from Community Goods. So I guess you could say I'm retrying the Community Goods again, but they all make their matcha differently. This tastes pretty good though.
I feel like this one is a little bit more like grassy and bitter. And then the one at Community Goods is a little bit sweeter and like less grassy.
Yeah, this is definitely not as sweet as like your typical matcha latte.
It depends on how you like your matcha.
It's not bad though. I like mine sweet.
I think it's because they added the foam.
It
So
makes
it's not too sweet.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. Can I try yours? You want to try mine? Your cream top is sweet. It's way sweeter than the ube.
Yeah, I thought yours was gonna be sweet.
I know, huh?
It's ube.
I might have to get that one next, but this is still good regardless. All right, guys, we're gonna go head home because I gotta go edit. See ya.